Everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, there is a very common problem in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer that DNS server is not responding. So whenever we open the browser, whether it's Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, it gives you an error, internet not responding, DNS not responding, or internet connection error, any kind of error. Whether you're using a Wi-Fi or a Ethernet wired connection, we will be able to fix it in a very few and simple steps. So the very first step is to do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here we need to type ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed it, click on OK. So once you do that, a window will appear like this. No matter you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, it will open up the same window. Now here we need to select our connection. So if you're using a wired connection, you can select your Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, then you can select your wireless one. So here I'm using the Wi-Fi, so I'll just do a right click and I'll go to properties. So the very first thing, if we are getting DNS server not responding error, we need to select this Internet Protocol version 4. All right. And here we need to go to this properties, and here we need to enter either the Google DNS or the cloud DNS. So I'm using the cloud DNS, which is 1.1. and then alternative will be 1.0.0.1. This is a very great DNS, very fast, and you will definitely see the difference in your accessing. So just click on OK, and once you have entered it, close this window. Now we need to click on this search icon and we need to type cmd, and you'll find command prompt the best match. Please make sure that you only select run as administrator, and once you do that, it will ask you to say yes, and a new window will appear like this. So if you do not select run as administrator, if you only select open, then it will not work. So here we need to flush the DNS and we need to type ipconfig. I'll mention these commands in the description box as well. ipconfig space / flush DNS. Let me just maximize it. So once you have typed it, hit enter. So this will flush the DNS, and it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now we need to register the DNS, though it's not required, but you can do it. I'm in ipconfig space register DNS like this. Once you have typed it, hit enter, and the DNS will be registered. So you just need to restart the computer and just do a right click and go to run and click on ncpa. Type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. If you do not want to restart, you can simply disable it and enable it and then try to access your internet. And I'm sure once you see it's disabled, click on enable and see if your internet connection is faster, if that DNS server not responding error has been removed, and your internet performance is getting better. So please let me know in the comment section that which step has worked for you, and hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.